Yo, big man on the motherfucker check-in. Bulldog, OTM.
We got the city on lock, off top. Still post on the block, selling good crops.
Whoa.
Get what you need and go, fuck the small talk.
Whoa.
Pull up, get the guys and go like a pit stop.
Whoa.
That's 1200 bagged up in a ziplock. Blue honey make my pocket do the crip walk. It don't matter where I go, trap still pop. Like a frozen midget, high short stop. Fast home celebrate, let the courts pop. He wanna beef by the bit, man, that whole thought. Man, that whole glory boy, like old block. That ain't your baby mama, that your thought. I be cheering on, I be like, go thought. You a trap with your art and I'm so thought. You niggas broke, so you ain't got no thoughts. More money equal more problems and more thoughts. Fuck that, shout out to my niggas catching ops. Shoot him like a hamstring, straight stretch ops. And sometimes shit seem like what is not. He even though it spit fire, still at what you block. If you think I'm finna fuck before I get the top. Pussy hoe, you got me bent, no shamar. I'ma ride me a bank, fuck the law. Take a way bigger risk for that Audemars. They dry this, I hear licks in that other car. Street nigga hit a lick in your mama car. Real player, good dick, knock your mama off. Dick all on the chest like I want a bra. Then make her clean up and cook me a tomahawk. Then watch you kick and hit the back door and wander off. To flip another bit, make a bitch somersault. Bad boy, bitch, I can't stop, won't stop. Yeah, I love me a thought. Big booty, big good pussy, good talk. I call her when I'm sticking every time I draw lock. She know a nigga about to come through and make a mess, but she never complain cause she know I keep 'em out. Babe, my little Caesar, she be ready and hot. Like Fuji's, here I come, babe, ready or not. Walk in a straight star, massaging her neck. Loosen her up, help her get ready to bop. Alexa, play slob on my knock. Professor, new thought that y'all. I text you, I'm outside in the car. I let you come back home tomorrow. I spread you open like a god. I bet you can't ride handlebar. And if I put dick in your raw, that little bit, you done stole my little heart. Don't break it. If I lick it, you better not say shit. I'ma eat it like a nigga ain't ate shit. Nigga eat the pussy up, but I laid it. I can show you something new, ain't basic. Pop a pill just to make sure it ain't quick. Gotta make another nigga bitch pay dick. Better find you somebody to play with. Hell, I'm not the one. Bitch, I'm in my prime, no optimus. I remember days that I caught the bus. Now I split it 8 ways like an octopus. Bad bitch, and she red like a lobster. But freight train, bitch, ain't no stopping us. Niggas going down, how these niggas blocking us? What the fuck a nigga need a wife for? When I know I'ma marry me a thot.
OTM, man, you already know what it is, man. Big man savage. Nigga just real that bitch. Oh, dog. OTM world, man, you know what it is, man. Fuck with me now. You're not tuned in to OTM world.
I ain't tryna fall in love, baby, I just wanna I'ma let you know up front, girl, I just wanna baby, you can call my line if you ever wanna I'll beat it up.
Tony calls.
See, I'm back on my See, I'm back on my bullshit. Ayy, see, I'm back on my bullshit. Came a long way from school, bitch. We them niggas been banging and walking with full clips. Pocket filled with them blue strips. All I hang with the solid, can't fuck with no loose lips. If he rat, cut him loose quick. If a fuck nigga try, bet his ass make the news quick. Hit his ass with these blue tips. But these niggas won't shoot shit. Cause these peons ain't stepping how my niggas stepping. Walk them down, but that teach them a lesson. I been kicking shit cool and got paper like Messi. Bitch, I'm Zion, yo old nigga red. She say that she love how my big ass be dressing. How that Audemars go with that neck. My features are dub, my shoulders a blessing. I got paper, I ain't doing no stress. The one who put all this together, that gave me something good and I made that shit better. Turned up the notch, my watch changed up the weather. I'm bigger and better, shit bigger than ever. Thought they was running shit, I had to catch him. He tried with some funny shit, shoot it, go stretch. I ran up some money and never got selfish. I'm solid, I put my whole team on the blessing.
Wow.